So I'll show you guys my outfit when I get to a store that has a mirror, because I even forgot to do an intro. Actually, I'm at Toys R Us. I came to check their prices for their Polaroid cameras. Like all sick. So I came to check that, but now I'm leaving. I just came to Woolworths. I'm just looking at the outfits because I'm looking for an outfit for V-Ball. So we have V-Ball at school soon. How cute is this bag? Okay, but not for me. Okay, it's not that cute. Actually, never mind. It's not cute at all. I like this. Looks nice. I also like this, but then this one doesn't look nice. And this is also nice. Yeah, I like this actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. Okay, this is multi-sized. Lord help me. Look at the price, guys. Lord help me for rings. Oh please. I'm still a student. Okay, I don't wear earrings, so this is earrings. Wait, what do you call legit? Yeah, this is from legit. This is from these types are from, what's this? 2 words, ginger maybe. These are from Cox. This shirt from Shein, also from Shein. These rings, I think from the Fix. Yeah, that was my outfit of the day. Thing about me, I'll spend money on useless things. So I think I want these. I'm not sure. They're giving something, but I don't know what they're giving, but they're giving something. And then I tried these. I don't really like them, guys. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't really like them. So I think I'm just gonna look around while I wait for my mom to send me my pin, because I forgot my pin, guys. I have 2 cards, so I forgot my pin for the card that I don't usually use. I'm obsessed with myself, guys. I'm obsessed with myself. I'm gonna marry myself one day. A quality child. I'm gonna marry myself one day. The things I say. So I'm waiting for Timuluho and Timuluho and Khumza to come. Okay, I took a decision to use my other card, and I bought my thingies. My thingies. Guys, it's so difficult coughing now. Anyways, I bought my thingies. I went to Shein now, so I can get a few touch-ups for my outfit for my birthday and the V-Ball. Guys, being me sometimes can be difficult. Can I go in? Couldn't you? Can I go in? Thank you. How cute. Be my Valentine. Yes, I will be. How cute is this? This is a gown. This is a basket nyama thingamachiki. Self-care. Guys, how cute is this? Please. How cute is at home? Anyways, I'll soon be getting a house. Soon enough. I'm joking, guys. Still have a long way to go. Guys, my friends are trying on heels.
Yeah, there's a possibility on it.
Ngara, this is their last day. Mulefating. Chumi, are they not fitting you? What's that? Here I am, just chilling, watching these people try on heels. Chumi, what's wrong? Guys. Oh, my friends. Look at my crocky crocs. I like them. They're a bit big, but I like them. My crocky crocs. Look, and I have the same crocs. These are hers.
Well, let's go test out some lipsticks right here. Claire is watching the lipstick or something.
Johnny, can we like actually go? Like, I'm tired. Johnny, just
I did pay her.
just stop the video and then.
Hi guys, welcome to Nongola's channel. I was just saying. Okay. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Nongola's channel. Wait, so your mom is coming?
No, I haven't called her.
But then she's coming. To
Fetch us.
Oh, can you join me in hostel?
Yes, I'll ask
Thank
her.
God.
Let's go.
Oh, it's me.
Obviously.
Thailand.
It is.
Okay.
And I like how it's like mostly like late. I don't even know if it's late or not. My outfit of the day. I like it. I like the outfit. Yes, those are giving. Those are giving. Anyways, my shirt is from this shirt. It's from Shein. My tights are from Ginger Milk. Two eggs. These were my mom's. And I took them.
Tell me, what's your favorite color?
I don't have one.
Okay,
But
that's
I
weird.
like black and white.
Okay, and then when
As you can see.
Okay, I like pink. Just telling you guys.
Is that your favorite color? Pink is your favorite color. Oh, cute. Eight.
Hey guys, you see like that.
To be quite honest, I like every color now, but pink is one of them.
It depends. It depends, but I don't have one.
8.
Okay, what's the next question? We are late.
What's the next question?
Why can't we keep time? Like, what's the problem?
I think we have a lot to do.
Yeah,
We have a lot to do.
Guys.
yeah.
Like we actually like busy people.
we are
if you
busy
think about it.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
we just busy people.
Why not? And Gamo, we have to study.
Yeah.
I just remembered that. We'll go to the next door.
For English. About this, I am not sponsored by Red Bull, but guys, this is nice. It is like all
Why ya ka wena?
editions, all editions, all their new flavors. All their flavors are actually
Okay.
nice. All their flavors are actually nice. But I like this one and the
It's
green
cute.
one.
I like the
can't
material.
remember
No, I
what
like
the
that
flavor
one.
is.
The one that you have. Yeah.
And the green one. Okay, the white one I've tasted it, but maybe it's because I ate something before that.
Yeah, maybe.
But I couldn't like taste the difference.
Imagine.
Imagine.
Who's that girl on the billboard?
Yes, I cannot
Cute 8.
Cute 8.
Yeah, now I think it's time we go.
Let me put that.
Nah. I cannot matswele wena.
That's what I can imagine.
Like it took us someone analing matswele.
Yeah, it actually needs someone that has like and proper boobs. Okay, not that. I just,
What are you about to say? They to me. Once Kutanaiza.
together.
Mac is also good.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a face beat.
Together.
Okay, Mac is giving.
Mac
But is it giving shades? It's not giving shades. It's giving Show me how many shades do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
8. I like the quality 8. Anyways, we're leaving at Grace.
Pick and pay.
Oh.
Oh, unless
Anyways.
I put it in your account.
To me, my account is a very tricky situation. Are you doing cash bag?
No.
What are you doing?
Now I have to do it's something like cash bag, but not cash bag because I think I put bags.
I think we should stand here. We should sit here. We're not going. Nah.
And the next gonna come.
Wait, Chomuluko. Katarata Kam.
Okay.
Chomuluko.
Listen, oh, why? Try again.
Ang vlog. Saman. Ang na ko wena.
When I can now, good luck again.
Yan kita ka 3.
No, wow, wait. Wait.
Ya ko bikin.
The shoes.
These are the type of pants that I love. Shomi, Clavataha were like something like this, but they were like not this big. Taha and they were not like this big. Oh, they want to look.
No.
Because if it's there. Oh.
Jimmy, I'd want something like this for MD, but bedazzled.
Like shop knows for MD.
No, but I'd want something like that, but bedazzled.
Let's go.
With like some rhinestones or something. Yeah, Prada baby. Can come? Oh, what you? Wait till it's on. Like, and like, what is banana something that we can buy from Tati? Like something small and cute. The chocolate is a mug, a cute mug. Wait, I still need to activate the thingy. No, the New Balance one. Looks nice. Yeah, something like that. Huh? Okay. Wait, what did she say?
50, the New Balances.
Oh, you guys have them. Okay, I'm gonna come. Now. Oh, no. We are. Oh. Nobody moves, there's no mountain. Show me one signature. Go be like, come on, now how shame I saw about the Hasabati. I can see Hasabati. Because I don't know, I can't write to our regular. I don't know why I did that. Okay, Shab, but then I must do something. Where's my tablet? Charles. Like the hostel ones, you can't give them from island.
Ask us why. Ask me why.
Should we go to Flix?
Oh, what's that? Couldn't come.
She might
Couldn't come. I want to come. Like it's just not true. Sunday's flowers.
But for some reason, I feel like it gives you confidence. Because then like you act like you're talking, like, Wait.
Like I really juicy,
Like more American cheese.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a...
When something is, I did call you.
Let's shopping is
Shopping is right. This is my manager, guys. Hi guys.
To make it a trolley is giving very much mother. Like,
It is.
giving very much mother of the house.
Hi. That's me. Whoa. Hey guys. So it's Sunday. Wait, I'm trying to see if the lighting is better like this or like that. I don't know. Anyways, so it's Sunday and I think it's 1:30 our day, and I haven't started my day, so I am going to eat lunch because I did eat breakfast and then I was just chilling. I'm going to eat lunch and then I'm not doing accounting today. I'm going to eat lunch and then I'm probably going to do my maths and then do my English, because child, I have a lot to do, guys. Now I'm just in love with these classes, like, and no one can say anything. Like, no one can say anything because I'm just in love with these classes. But anyways, I woke up today feeling a bit stressed because I have a lot to do, guys. Oh, Sana, I have a lot of work to do. I actually feel like it's a lot. Anyways, let me go to learn my lunch, dish up my lunch, and then I'll show you guys what I'm eating. This is what I'm eating for lunch: mash, pumpkin, spinach, and meats. Guys, when I say it's so cold because it's raining, and I don't know where my pink blankie is. Morning. So I'm going to school. It's the 14th of Feb, and I'm on my way to my transport. Sana, and I'm not excited for today. I'm so excited. I can't wait. There's a lot of things happening today. That's why I'm excited. Oh God. This is the outfit of the day. I'll show you. It's so cute. Like, let me change. I'm a special today.
So you guys must wish her
Exactly.
I need your attention. I need your attention.
That happened overnight. This is happening, or this has years. So, is ESCOM and the energy problem?
yeah, I am on 32 on my main account. Yeah, and my Twitter is for those who know. And then my Twitter account is I am on tower with no T. Yeah. Say hi to my friends. That's Nomvola, the YouTube What. That's Comfort, that's Rhea. Not who are you, promoter? Yo, I'm so like I confuse the names. That's that's Honga. This is
And this is the only
this
way
is Soso. When I comment, I didn't forget you. I confused your name with Rhea and Comfort, and it's the same person.
Oh my God.
Rhea and Comfort, you think it's the same person? How Rhea can?
Hey guys, hey. So it's the 24th, 2 days of Friday. I just came back from school. I'm wearing my PJs. Don't mind this. I haven't bathed, so I wanted to bath, but then I'm like, okay, let me shoot first before I bath, because if I bath first, then I'm going to be like tired. I mean, if I bath first before I shoot, I'm gonna be tired. So for my birthday, I decided to get a Polaroid camera, and that's because I've always wanted one. So I decided to not do anything, literally nothing, anything, and just buy a Polaroid camera. I also got a few gifts. I don't know if I unboxed, but I don't think I did. But I got a snack box. I'm gonna insert the picture here. But anyways, for my friends, I love and appreciate them. Yeah, I think that's it. But anyways, so I bought a camera. It was supposed to come way earlier, but I think because something had to be shipped from their warehouse to the Take a Lot thingy. But yeah, so I haven't seen this before. This card, I haven't seen this before. Of course, my mom had to open my packages. Why, I don't understand. But anyways, my mom, of course, she opened my packages, and of course she opened my boxes. Like, why? So I got this camera. It's my Polaroid camera. Instax. The Instax is Mini 11. The color ice white. This is how it looks like. It comes with this thing. I think it's I don't know actually what this is. Anyways, and here's the actual camera. It comes in these protective things. Yeah, it's actually light. Like, it's actually so light. Here it is. Okay, I must try and like open it. Here's how it looks like. It's so cute, man. I like it. It's adorable. And then it comes also with a book, a guideline, a guidebook. Yeah, what do you call these books, Ghana? Yes, I think it's a guidebook where it shows you what to do and stuff. Here, I think this is the string. Oh, it's that string. It comes somewhere here, I think. Yeah, I've seen that string before somewhere in the mix. It comes with batteries. I ordered this from Take a Lot, by the way, and I don't know what the hell this is. And then in the second thingy, because I didn't want to just carry it like this, I feel like it's much better if I get a bag for it. In case it falls, it might be just a little bit easier, and it's also cuter to get a bag. So I got this white bag, this ice white bag. No, I don't think this is ice white. I think this is cream white. Yes, it says ice white. I don't know, but yeah, it's the bag for the ice white camera. And this is how it looks like. Let me open and show you guys. And then it comes with the stringy thingy. Yeah, cute child 8. I'm not gonna assemble it because I don't have time. I really want to go shower, and then I also have like these things. that I must put in. I think it's the. I can see it. I know what the other one was called. Anyways, and then I decided to buy another cover because I'm just extra like that. Anyways, it's this clear one. I thought it was cute. It comes with this thingy. I just thought it was cute. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna buy more and more and more and more and more and more and more. This is my new baby. This is my new baby. This is so cute. Like, it's actually like it's not like this one, so it's two different ones. The material is different. The cover is actually so different. Yeah, I think I like it. Okay, how do I open Kana? Cute, isn't it? Cute. Okay, but yo guys, that's what I got for my birthday. That's what I just got for my birthday. Because I felt like, you know what? I don't want anything hectic. I just want something that I like. Yeah, I used this opportunity very wisely, I believe. So now it's time for me to go rest, guys. I literally slept at 1 yesterday because I had to study for business, but I guess that's the theme of my life. Noah hollered. Yeah, so that's what I got for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed my birthday vlog. Please do comment down any suggestions that you guys have, any improvements, any queries, any complaints, anything that's just in your mind. Just drop it down below in the comment section. And yeah guys, this is me. This is my new life. I don't know when am I gonna like post after this vlog because I don't have content now, but I believe God will provide. Yeah, I actually believe, I don't know, something will just pop up. But yes guys, unfortunately this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell somewhere down there to be part of the Double and Squad. Bye guys. I don't moisturize my lips. Bye.